Breaking news. A shocking series of explosions have rocked Lebanon today as pages used by Hezbollah members detonated unexpectedly, leaving at least 8 dead and over 2,750 injured. The explosions occurred almost simultaneously across multiple locations, impacting both Hezbollah fighters and innocent civilians. The cause remains under investigation, with authorities urging caution. This incident is considered one of the most severe security breaches faced by Hezbollah in recent years, raising concerns about the safety of their communication methods.